Are you looking for a powerful, versatile, and portable cooktop that can handle your kitchen, RV, camping trips, or countertop cooking needs? Today we're reviewing the Empava Double Induction Cooktop, a 2-burner electric induction stove with a shatter-proof glass top, bridge sink feature, and multiple preset cooking modes. Let's see if it's the perfect solution for your cooking setup. The Empava Duo Induction Cooktop has a sleek, modern design with a shatter-proof flat glass surface that's easy to clean and looks great in any kitchen or outdoor setup. The black glass top not only adds a premium feel but also resists scratches and heat marks, so it stays looking new longer. With 2 burners, you can cook more than 1 dish at a time, perfect for families, meal prep, or outdoor cooking. The burners heat up quickly with precise temperature control, and since it's induction, the heat is distributed directly and efficiently to the cookware, not wasted into the air. One feature that sets this cooktop apart is bridge sink. It allows you to combine the 2 burners into one large cooking zone. This is great for bigger pots, large pans, or cooking dishes that require more surface area. You get more flexibility without needing a giant stove. The Empava Induction Cooktop comes with 3 preset modes, which make it incredibly user-friendly, even if you're not used to induction cooking. Boil mode for rapid heating. Simmer mode for gentle cooking. Keep warm mode to hold food at serving temperature. You also get easy digital controls and LED display for precise temperature and time settings. This cooktop operates on 110 to 120 volts power and plugs into a standard outlet, so it's perfect whether you want it as a built-in kitchen stove, a countertop addition, or a portable cooking solution for your RV or outdoor camping. No complicated wiring needed, just plug and cook. Cleaning it is super simple thanks to the flat glass top. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth after use. There are no coils or grates to scrub, so maintenance is minimal. So in summary, the Empava Double Induction Cooktop is a powerful, flexible, and easy-to-use cooking solution that works great in the kitchen, RV, or outdoor setups. With its dual burners, bridge sink feature, and user-friendly preset modes, it's one of the best induction options out there for versatile cooking. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more home tech videos, and check the link in the description to learn more or grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.